Guys, after a long walk, we have finally arrived here at our destination, which is our mission is to feed these three beautiful cats who have been imprisoned for a very long time. I don't know how many days or months they have been here already imprisoned, but ah, just by looking at them, you can really see that they are in a pitiful situation. They even have barely having a good meal. You can see those are just leftover, was given to them by the owner or who's responsible for this. So we're gonna giving them a little treat this afternoon. Look at what we've got here. I got, oh, they're so excited, this. They can't wait. Yeah, they're craving for cat food. So there we go, guys. Let's feed them immediately. Just help me. Okay, guys. Here we go. Yeah, they're so excited. Where's the other one? The little one. Let's get her. Let's get her back inside. Okay. Bye bye. Let's take a look. No. No. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Get back there. Oh, where are you going? Get back inside. Get back inside and eat the cat food right there. Okay. Oh, look at there. Where is she going? Get back inside. Get back inside. Get back inside. Okay, let's close the door already before one of them may manage to escape. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and hopefully will support us by liking the video. You may even share it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.